Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RRTS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some areas of support and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, wouldn't make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward, and that would be if the price could stay up here above the 52-cent mark. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 52, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, and that is where the purple line down here comes into play, which on my chart is denoting the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, when the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yes, staying above 52 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now. Party finally stopped today right up there around the 58-cent mark. So 58 cents will be public enemy number one going into Tuesday. Anyway, look at it though, great movement today. And really resistance levels don't matter. Why do I say that? Well, what matters is what the chart and price has already been doing. And that's this right here, starting to build higher bases. As long as higher bases are built, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, that's the name of the game, because when that occurs, then given enough time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.